Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix T-Mobile SOS only no data on 5G, restore mobile signal and data service. To fix the T-Mobile SOS only error and restore your 5G mobile data service, you must force your phone to re-authenticate with the network and resolve any active SIM configuration errors. The SOS label means your device is completely disconnected from T-Mobile's network but can still see competitor tasks for emergency routing. Fix 1. Force cycle the network hardware. Toggle the airplane mode. Swipe down to open your control menu and turn the airplane mode on. Now wait for 15 seconds and turn it off. Hard restart your device. If the signal does not return, turn your phone completely off and wait for 30 seconds. Then after 30 seconds, turn it back on to clear background system memory. Fix 2. Update carrier settings over Wi-Fi. Connect your phone to a stable Wi-Fi network. On iPhone, navigate to settings, then go to general, then tap on about. And stay on this page for 15 seconds. If a prompt titled carrier settings update appears, tap update. Fix 3. Reset and remount your SIM profile. For physical SIM users, use a paper clip to pop out the SIM tray, wipe the gold contacts clean with a dry cloth, reinsert it firmly, and check for signal bars. For eSIM users, navigate to settings, then go to cellular or network and internet. Now select your primary T-Mobile line and toggle the line to off. Wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Fix 4. Shut down network inhibiting software. Third-party security applications can manipulate your phone's configuration, masking a live 5G signal behind an SOS error. So go to your system settings and temporarily turn off any active VPN clients or profiles. Then uninstall or disable local network monitoring applications or third-party firewall configurations. On your Android device, navigate to settings and go to software update and download any pending system patches. Fifth, 5. Execute a targeted network settings reset. If internal software profiles are corrupted, clearing out bad cellular caches will restore the factory default routing rules without deleting your photos or text. On iOS, go to settings, then go to general, then click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset and then select reset network settings. On Android, go to settings, then go to system or general management and tap on reset options. From there, select reset network settings. Note, the steps might vary based on Android brands and models. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.